I'm Elisabeth Bäcklund and I am a product manager at Hexatronic in Hudiksvall. Viper is a family of microcables from Hexatronic. The slim cables are blown into place in microducts. With a range from 2 to 864 fibers, Viper is used across the world to build networks of different sizes and shapes with one common purpose: to connect more places and people. We know this. 80% of the total project cost is labor and only 20% is material cost. Quick and smooth installations therefore have the potential to drastically reduce the cost of labor and save project money. We bring this insight to the development process and always aim to create sustainable solutions with a low total cost of ownership. The Viper cables are very slim but extremely robust and reliable. And they have some unique features that cannot be found in other cables. For example, the stiffness of each cable is adapted for best blowing performance. A cable that is too stiff performs poorly in the duct if the duct has sharp bends. A cable that is too flexible, on the other hand, may result in the cable being buckled in the duct. Extensive know-how from developing both microcables and microducts helps us to find just the right balance. We have also learned that compatibility is key and design our products to work perfectly together. Slim is sustainable. It's pretty intuitive. Creating slimmer cables and ducts saves virgin material and reduces transport. But slim can also be sensitive. With less protection, the cable can break more easily. We solve this with the unique fiber protection tube technology. Advanced and tough materials make our Viper cables extremely strong, even though they are very slim. You might wonder how we know this. Well, when performing crush and impact tests, we can see that the Viper cable performs 3 to 5 times better than other comparable cables on the market. The fiber protection tube technology is a great advantage, not only during the smooth installation, but during its whole lifetime. When investing in a fiber optic network, you'll want to keep your costs down. But looking at the cable cost alone might not do the job. If you strive for a lasting network with a low total cost of ownership and a minimal carbon footprint, you should look for a slim, yet robust cable that is designed to minimize installation time. We are proud to say that the Viper series has got you covered. Viper is suitable for all kinds of fiber optic networks and can be combined with Hexatronic products for lasting end-to-end solutions.